Hi to all, welcome back to a vlog video. So today we are on the way to purchase fish as well as some veggies. So early in the morning itself we had gone for shopping. Now due to lockdown, only the shopping hours are from early morning 6 to 10 am. So we had to purchase within 10. Once back home having my cup of tea. Now the cleaning work of fish and meat is going on. For breakfast, I am going to prepare French toast. For this, I have taken 1 egg, half cup of milk, added 2 teaspoons of sugar and a pinch of salt and turmeric powder. Fry the French toast on a pan by adding butter or ghee. Now these pomegranates can stay around 2 to 3 weeks in an airtight container in the refrigerator if it is de-seeded. Remove the pomegranate seeds, wash, pat it dry and then store it in an airtight container. The green chilli also stays long if the stem is removed and then stored. I clean the coriander leaves, wash it and then pat it dry in a towel. Later, I store it in an airtight container by keeping tissue paper at the bottom of the container and at the top of the container. For a midday snack, I am going to take a portion of pomegranate, add salt and chilli to it. I had also cooked the raw mango in sugar syrup and then stored it in the fridge. These are the salted gooseberry. I had salted it in vinegar and boiled and cooled water along with few green chilies. For today's lunch, I am going to prepare a simple dish with green chilli. This my mom used to do it whenever we used to crave to have something sour and spicy. For this I am going to roast 2 chili directly on the flame. Take a bowl of warm water, add tamarind to it. Squeeze and remove the pulp along with the green chili, 1/4 teaspoon of sugar and a pinch of salt. Once the pulp has come out well, drain it. Add 1/4 teaspoon of coconut oil. Now this pulp can be used as a gravy for rice. For evening tea, I had fried these potato. I had added the same masala as of chicken fry and then deep fried. Not going to repeat a recipe as I had already put a recipe on it. For dinner, I am going to prepare paneer roll. For this, I have cut paneer into small cubes. Add curds to it, a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and mutton masala. You can use any brand of mutton masala. Add Kashmiri chili powder and salt to taste. Give a mix. Now heat a pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add the marinated paneer and wait until it turns brown in color. Add soya sauce and tomato sauce. Keep frying. I have diluted the remaining masala. That was the marinated masala. Keep frying. Finally, add a handful of coriander leaves. Now for a shake, I am going to add few bananas to a mixer jar. Add ice cube, milk, sugar as per taste. Add a drop of vanilla or ice cream essence. Blend it and a tasty banana shake is ready. I have prepared these pulka with wheat atta. Now just before serving, I am going to again fry it in a tawa by adding little oil. To serve the paneer roll, I am going to place sliced onion at the center of the roll. Place the paneer masala. Also add mayonnaise to it. Make a roll and a very tasty paneer roll is ready. So this was my today's vlog. Hope you all liked it. Thanks for watching.